Unicel Architectural created Vision Control, a daylight, privacy, and sound control solution ahead of its time back in the 1970s. Vision Control and Vision Control Mini received growing Canadian and international acclaim and were soon featured in several noteworthy projects across Canada and the US. Today, Vision Control and Vision Control Mini remain the most advanced louvered glazing technology in the industry, providing unprecedented comfort and control of vision, light, temperature, and sound, elevating the function and performance of any standard interior or exterior glazing application in healthcare, behavioral health, educational, correctional, and sustainable building design industries. Its patented combination of cord-free louvers between hermetically sealed glass panes ensures total privacy, optimal hygiene, and controls the spread of infection for increased safety for both frontline staff and patients in healthcare environments. Vision Control and Vision Control Mini are completely customizable, featuring multiple high-speed, self-reversing control mechanisms, including ligature-resistant and automated programmable options. AMA 501.8 certified performance. Impact-resistant glazing and adaptable ligature-resistant operators offer protection to patients and staff in behavioral health hospitals. Add Pilkington Pyrostop fire-rated glazing to achieve fire ratings of 20, 45, 60, and 90 minutes for doors, windows, transoms, and sidelights. Vision Control and Vision Control Mini can incorporate LED glass for X-ray room viewing windows. Both systems can block a wide range of lasers used in medical applications, including those operating in pulsed or continuous mode at up to 100-watt beam intensity in a laser protective housing scheme. Vision Control Mini can be used with UL 1784 certified sliding and swinging smoke-rated door assemblies. Through highly engineered glass, timber, and aluminum building products, Unicel Architectural helps architects impact lives by defining the space within.